Hi, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Please tell me about your work experience.
I work 1998. I start to work at Intercontinental Plaza Hotel Dera. In at 2000, I go to Hong Kong for 2 years as a housemaid. And in the Philippines, I'm a call center agent, a cashier lotto operator at PCSO Manila, and here in LA from 2010 to 2014 as a nanny,
Okay, what is the nationality of your employer?
local.
How many members in the family?
Four. They have
And
two kids, 4 years old and two.
can you tell me what are your duties and responsibilities while on this job?
I'm taking care of the kids the whole day.
Okay, and how long did you work with them?
4 years and 5 months.
And why you decided not to continue your contract?
Because they didn't increase my salary
Okay,
and I don't have holiday.
and how much salary are you looking for?
1,500 up.
Okay, and what is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
Ba- babysitting and the household chores.
Okay, and what type of food can you cook?
Chinese,
Okay, and how do you know if the baby is sick?
if the baby is hot, if
Yes.
the baby is hot, I always check the temperature.
Okay, and what are your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
Dancing.
Okay, and how long do you want to work here in UAE for? How many years?
4 years and 5 months.
Do you think you would be
6 years.
okay? And how long do you want to stay more for work?
2 years. 2 years more.
Okay. Do you think you would be a good full-time housemate to your new employer?
I hope so. I want to do all my best.
Okay. Thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.